Okay, so I've made a connection with a piece of wire, and I'm in one of the MIG modes, and this is the start feed speed, and that's already turning. When I adjust this shouldn't have any effect, but if I change that, and then we look at the roller, it stopped. Let's do it again. Let's go up now. It stopped. Let's go down. Sometimes it speeds up. Now it's sped up, you see? Okay, now let's go get out of this menu. And we are this is a synergic mode, so if we now increase the current, the speed should increase. Well, let's look what happens. It's sped up. Sometimes it stops. Sometimes it stops afterwards. Let's try again. Let's go down now. It stopped. We're just waiting to see if it does anything else. Sometimes it does. I'm just going to turn it down a bit more. See what happens. Well, that's what happens anyway. When it starts, it also does some funny stuff. So yeah,